Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how you can connect Google Tag Manager with your Squarespace website. First of all, we have to copy the Google Tag Manager code. So you can copy this code, or you can copy the code from uh, step.io. I mean the modified code. So let's say I have copied these codes, and now we have to add this code on the header section of our website. So in this case, we have a Squarespace website. So after login to your Squarespace dashboard, you have to go to pages from the left side, then scroll down and go to website tools and click here, and then here you will see code injection. Okay, so if you click here, you will see the option to add your code. So this is the header section to add your code. So you just have to copy and paste it here. So I already added this code here, and I have to add this code also to the order tracking page. So if I scroll down here, you can see the order confirmation page. So we have to paste it here also, otherwise our GTM won't connect with our order confirmation page. So also you have to paste this on the order status page. So I am pasting this here, like this one and this one, order confirmation page, and that's it. It is footer, and this block is for header section. So I have already added this on the header section and also on the order tracking page and order status page. So that's it, how you can connect your Google Tag Manager with your Squarespace website. And don't forget to click save, otherwise it won't save. So I am just clicking save. Now my Google Tag Manager will connect with my Squarespace website. Thank you.